Alright guys, I guess I have to explain a couple of things. For those that may be aware, Sunday I posted a video of an accident that happened at Queensland Raceway involving Stevie Chant and the rollover that happened and her big accident. I've had some in-car footage from another driver in that, and I just want to touch base on that because I've made that video private, and it's for a very good reason. Motorsport Australia are apparently doing an investigation into the accident that happened on Saturday, and Series X3 Queensland put out a statement saying not to post any footage or photos of the accident until the investigation's been completed. So I've made that video private, and I've had a number of people ask me where the video's gone because they wanted to see it and wanted to view that footage and things like that. Now, before I go any further, I will say this. I've been in contact with Stevie Chant. We've had a conversation. She thanked me for posting the video and making about the safety during the accident and not trying to glorify the accident at all. Yeah, she was thankful that I did it. She said, tell the people that I'm more than happy for that video footage to be up there and out on the internet. Those were her words. So if anyone comes at me saying, you know, she doesn't want that out there, or the driver wouldn't want that, she does. The accident itself was quite brutal, and when I put the content out and the video that said this is the most brutal accident I've seen, and the title of the video, it absolutely is. It was hectic. To give some people some context in how that video was trending for my channel, it was through that 48 hour period, it was up on YouTube. It was the best trending video I've had over those 48 hours. There was no dislikes on the video. It was 100% likes. So it wasn't like I was trying to make the video about me or anything like that. I literally was just sitting there saying how good it was for Stevie to be actually saved in the way she was, because to be perfectly honest, if I think it was it Steve, Brett, David, Gordon and Maverick hadn't gone in there and pulled Stevie out of that car, we would be having a completely different conversation about this accident right now. It wouldn't be about, you know, Stevie getting pulled out of a car. It may be something completely different. So for those 5 guys, you did an incredible job. And if you see this, just know there is a lot of thankful people out there that understand what you did and saved Stevie's life. And she is aware of that as well. So, yeah, will I put the video back up? Yes, probably once the investigation's done. The snippet of in-car footage that I put up was probably only 10 seconds. And of that 10-second video, the snippet of actually seeing Stevie crashing was probably less than half a second. Very, very minor. Could I have put a whole lot more video footage in there of Stevie and the accident? Absolutely. I chose not to. I actually chose the footage that I deemed was probably the least aggressive in-car footage. And, you know, I put some footage up there of the car burning or on fire. Unfortunately, that's motorsports. You know, as much as we would love that Stevie still had her car, you know, when we sign up for motorsports, we understand there is like issues that may come, and it's dangerous. And thankfully, you know, motorsports didn't claim a life. We've now got Stevie, who is now able to go out and race again, thanks to 5 amazing guys who pulled her out of the car. So, the video's down for a reason, not because anyone told me to or anyone has asked me to. In fact, the one person that was involved in the crash the most and was significantly injured in that crash, when I say significantly, she's still able to walk on crutches, they asked for the video to be up there. It's literally, I've got messages that could prove it that say Stevie said thank you for posting the video and highlighting how big the crash was and the safety and the guys saving me. So the only reason I've taken it down is Motorsport Australia is currently doing an investigation into the event that happened here at Queensland Raceway last weekend. And once that is done, I will potentially put that video back up there, because there is a bunch of people messaging me asking me where that video is and wanting to see it. So I just thought I'd do a quick little video explaining where the video is gone. It's still on my channel. You guys can't see it. It's just on private. No one else can see it apart from me. And when that point comes, I probably won't even advertise that it's back up there. I'll just put it back up, and so people can see it if they find it and if they want to. That's it, guys. That's all I want to do, is just touch base and let you know what's happening with that video. Like I said, it was gaining a lot of traction, and the people that have messaged me in response to that were pretty thankful that I put it up. A couple of people, not so much, but you know, the internet's a brutal place, and I'm a big boy, so I can deal with it. So until next time, guys, I'll see you then. Cheers. Bye.